Hello all, welcome to my first unboxing video of Bluetooth speakers. I just recently purchased the Bluetooth Minirig 2.1 package. It cost me £389.95p. As you can see, I've got a couple of other speakers here at the Diamondbox XL, Diamondbox M and the first Bose SoundLink Mini. The Diamondbox XL was the last speaker I bought when I was over in America. This is a California based company and I paid about £800. It was like $920 or $30. You can see the Diamondbox M. I've had that for quite a while now. I really enjoyed the speaker, that's why I went up for the bigger one. Okay then, let's get this open, see how it's packaged. As I said, this is how it arrived. Feels like it's got some good protection inside. I ordered this on a Saturday and it came on the Tuesday morning. There you go. Like I say, I got the 2.1 package. So it'll be 2 mini rigs and then the subwoofer. I won't be doing any audio tests, I don't have a good enough microphone. Just the invoice there. There we go. Nice packaging here, and the subwoofer. So the subwoofer is saying here up to 50 hours battery life. You can output to charge your devices. It's got a 3.5mm audio input and output. The airflow is optimised folded port and custom 3-inch driver for maximum bass. More bass, less bass. Cables here, 3.5mm. Charging cable with the output there to charge your devices. Of course they come with the case as well, which is pretty nice. You can open the ends up and you don't even need to take it out. Nice quality product. Feels good in the hand. A bit of weight to it but not too heavy. Okay, so now let's open the Minirig wireless speaker version 3. This is the version 2 subwoofer, by the way. Same again, 3.5mm audio cable. The charging cable with also the output for the charging of your devices. Lanyard there. Instructions. I'll be needing them. A little bit of a sticker if you want to design somewhere. Again, a nice case. Quality. Keep it protected. I got them all in black. We've got the input and output, charging cable, power switch. Pretty good. Pretty impressed with them. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll try and answer anything for you. Thanks for watching.